Are reviewing a rehabilitation robot glove, perfect for those who have just suffered a stroke. This is to improve the overall hand's mobility and the dexterity. So here we have the glove along with your controls here. So right now we're just going to unpause it. Right now we are just in an overall grip mode, so it's just closing the hand and then expanding it. We currently also have the heating function on. This helps with your overall circulation of the hand. Like I said, this is perfect for those who have had a stroke and don't have as much mobility. So within this, we can change the settings with intensity, time, grip, as well as stretch. You can also customize this to your own needs using the thumb, pointer, middle, pinky, any finger that you would like, or multiple, depending on your needs. There is also the function of a mirror. So if you have a therapist or a family member that can help you out with this, you just click the mode button here and change it to mirror. And they supply you with this extra little device that once you press the device down with your other hand, unpause it. You press down with your other hand or your therapist or family member, then it'll close the hand. And once I release, it releases the hand as well. This is also customizable where I can select certain fingers. Once again, therapist or family member, use this remote, close the hand, hold it there for as long as you'd like, and release, and it'll release the hand customized to the specific fingers that we have here. It also comes with a therapy ball. You can use this to hold the ball, practice holding specific items. And once it is released, you can release the ball. This can be used up to 3 or 4 times a day, depending on the severity of your stroke or the needs of yourself or your family members. Once again, this is the Rehabilitation Robot Glove for those who have suffered a stroke.